recreational mathematical model. What is the My name is Raj Patel.
And I am part of one and we are part of the team from here.
12 is to power 1, that is 12, and 12 is to power 2, that is 144, and 12 is to power 3, that
In
is
this presentation, we are going to show the
1728.
uses of
But
triangles
that will be
in
greater than
engineering.
191.
So,
We
in
have
this
to take
presentation, we
nearer
cover some major
and lesser.
topics like why
So
do
that
we
will
use
be
a truss,
12 raised to
bending
power
moment,
2, that is
and advantages
144.
of using a truss,
So basically we
and
will
types of
understand
trusses.
these rods.
First of
It's
all,
12 raised to power 0,
you
12
may
raised to
have
power 1,
noticed
12 raised to
triangles
power
being
2.
used for
So it
construction
is near to 12 raised to
in
power 2.
bridges,
So we will
electricity
put
towers,
1
and
rubber.
other
We are
things.
putting 1 rubber because
Why?
12
When
raised
a
to power 2
triangle
means
is used in
144.
construction, it is called a
And how many
truss.
44?
When a force
144
acts
can be
upon
there
a
in
truss,
191.
it is distributed evenly in
Because
all of its
2 means
components.
it will become 288.
And
That is greater.
if we span the element too
So
much
1 rubber we put, and
and our
now
load
how
acts
much
upon
is
it,
remaining?
it will bend easily.
So that is
This is called the bending moment.
so
And if the
144
bending
plus
moment
6,
exceeds the
150,
elastic limit
and
of the material,
6,
it will cause
40,
it to break.
46, 47. 47 is remaining.
Trusses
So now,
are more stable
12 is to power
and
which is equal
then they
to
avoid
47.
bending moment. That is the reason
So
why we use
12 is
trusses.
to power 1
Because,
12
for
is to power
example,
2
if
is
we
equal
use
to
a square in
144.
place of a triangle or truss, then it will bend more easily. Like you can see here, if a force is applied on 2 points of a then it won't have to change the size of its sides and it will go like this. But in a triangle, when a force acts upon a joint, the forces go down from here and the base it does not have any extra length, so it won't change its shape.
जैसे कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में अगर आपको
Yes, ma'am.
बेसिक फॉर्मूला आपने टाइप किया है तो उसमें अगर आप चेंज करें
When
तो
the
एक
bridge is
न्यू
constructed using
कांस्टेंट
triangular elements,
इक्वल या पर प्रोपोर्शनल का साइन हटाओगे तो नया कांस्टेंट आ जाएगा तो इससे हम लोग का एग्जिस्टिंग मैथमेटिकल मॉडल पूरा चेंज है जो आपके कैलकुलेटर्स बने वो भी वेस्ट है तो सब कुछ ज़्यादा खर्चा होगा ना पहले से
Furthermore,
तो सर
the
हम यहाँ
axial
पे
forces can be
12 is to power
converted
2,
into compression
144.
and
अब कितना
tension.
बच रहा था हमारा? यहाँ पे
Compression are the forces that compresses the bridge from its
47 बच
axis,
रहा था.
and tension are the forces
47
that pulls the
12
bridge
is to power
outwards
1
from
के
the
करीब होगा,
axis.
क्योंकि 12 is to power 2 मतलब 144, तो 12 is to power 1 मतलब
Basically, how
12.
the forces acts on this one
47
particular
में कितने
bridge.
12 आ सकते
So
हैं?
when we place a
12
load upon
तीन
this,
तो तीन
it
आ सकते हैं,
compresses
तो
the
12 is to power
horizontal
1 में
part at the
12
top.
तीन मतलब 3 डालेंगे.
And
1,
from here, from the joints, the compression forces
And three.
goes downwards. And
12,
the tension force
36.
acts upon the bottom
How
part
many?
of the bridge.
36.
Basically, we put the weight here.
Now, remaining
It comes
is
inside from here.
7, 4,
And from the
11.
down, it is
11.
getting pulled
It's
outwards.
12 is to power 0.
But
So we'll
since
put
we have
11.
used a truss, so from the joints here, tension is going upwards, compression is going downwards. So the members, they are showing both compression and tension simultaneously, but the horizontal top part and the horizontal bottom part, this is showing compression and tension at one time.
Like this,
The
you
length
can
to
write down the
height
numbers.
ratio of the bridge
And
has
as
to
you
be
know, binary to
1 to the ratio 15 or 1 to the ratio
binary
10
में भी
and
हम ऐसे
between
convert कर
it.
सकते हैं.
So for example,
Cannot change that ratio.
yes,
तो
ma'am.
ये
For
किसी भी
example,
बेस पे ऐसे
if
apply होगा,
you
पहले
make a
हमको
bridge
जिसका
2
बेस पे convert
kilometers
करना है,
long,
उसका
then the
power
height of the bridge has to be
it raised
between
to
100 to
1, 2,
150
3, जो उसके
meters,
near है.
not less than that or
ऐसे
not
करते
more
करते
than
हम rod
that,
पे
because
put
it will
करते
make
हैं.
the
हम लोग
bridge
ने तो
more
अभी तक
unstable.
अभी तो साइंटिस्ट क्या
A single element is called a web in a bridge, and a collection of webs is called a node.
हाँ.
And the whole structure is called a frame. A frame can be used for both truss and non-truss structures.
From the main reason truss construction is used because it can easily withstand external forces and airflow over the bridge. 5 ticks में से आप
I have a doubt. Why, can't we use a single element instead of a truss? Like, make a whole structure out of one piece of wood and not using different ice cream sticks.
No, we can't do that because it will be more expensive and potentially impossible due to various factors like height, like weight of the bridge and airflow over the bridge.
Yes, right. There is a single piece. There won't be any airflow from the sides, top or bottom. So it will make the bridge more unstable and it will shake easily. And it will be also very heavy and it won't be cost efficient at all. There are different types of trusses. Like for example, a Pratt truss, a Warren truss. We have used double Warren trusses here, which form the cross shape. And north light trusses. These are used in northern areas to conserve sunlight and to lit up their homes to save electricity, basically. Now, at last, sawtooth truss. These are used in factory roofs construction. So, you may have seen the right this one. Ma'am, like some other applications of these are
Railway station roofs, stadium roofs, factory roofs, and telephone towers.
like you may have seen when a stadium is constructed for the roof of the seating area, they won't nowadays they use they support it from the backward of the stage and not from the front, just to avoid blocking the view of the audience. So from that structure there are triangles inside it, In our school, we also use trusses. So in our assembly ground, over the stage, we have placed a tin shed for the people who do the assembly. Yes, ma'am.
assembly stage.
So, when a Pratt truss is reversed, like Pratt truss goes like this. A Pratt truss, it goes like this. But in a Hope truss, it goes like this. And that is the one that we have used in our assembly ground.
Like this.
Now we will show you live demonstration. 3 kgs. Another 3 kgs. 2 kgs.
You can feel the bridge if you want.
More 2 kgs. The bridge weighs approximately 250 grams, but it is already holding 10 kgs,
10 kgs.
which is 40 times more than its own weight. So, and it is not bending or breaking. So the weight required to break the bridge, it also depends upon how much distance is between the two boulders. If it is less, then it will hold more weight. If it is more, it will hold less weight. So if we do it like this, 15 to 20 kgs or more than that.
So basically, three things we have to keep in mind while
Yes, ma'am.
making this: the length,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
height,
The height
and the
distance between the. Yes, ma'am.
Well explained.
Thank you.
Thank you.